In this day and age, there are few places women can't go in this country just as easily as their male counterparts. But something happened in a local courtroom this morning that's never happened before.
Sounds interesting. And there were also a couple other items of distinction there. Gerry Ricciutti gives us a rundown.
All rise.
And with the introductions of Judges Mary DeGennaro, Cheryl Waite, and Carol Robb, history was made this morning at the 7th District Court of Appeals in Youngstown. For the first time since this court was established in 1851, 3 women are sitting on a panel at the same time. Judge Waite, the most senior of the 3, admits it's all a bit odd.
It's remarkable that in 2015, it's remarkable.
The newcomer, Judge Robb, becomes the first from Columbiana County to sit on this bench in nearly 100 years, telling me her decision last year to run for the court, which covers southeastern Ohio, was more than a little daunting.
When I first made the commitment and filed the petition, I felt overwhelmed. Where do you begin? It's 8 counties.
While Robb ultimately won the seat left open with the retirement of Judge Joe Vukovich, it had been 14 years since the last time someone new joined the bench, when Mary DeGennaro defeated incumbent Ed Cox. There's not a lot of turnover here.
I mean, there are several reasons, but people tend not to tackle, judgeships when there's a judge that's been sitting there and doing a good job.
While none of the state's 12 appeals courts have only women on them, there are still 2 with none at all, at least not yet.
That just makes the point that it's no longer exceptional, it's the rule, and her election keeps that door wide open.
In the meantime, the judges agree the historical novelty of today's hearings won't last for long.
We're all here for a common good, and that is to pursue justice. And that's the commitment that we all have.
In Youngstown, Gerry Ricciutti, WKBN 27 First News.